Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Jingïakhih University, Meghalaya.
Daki pawut ki Samla Shillong bakan top ki Samla khasi baki ki Samla barjala ki basa anong ba Shillong haka arpotrik unai tung ajak punriu kila mi shakmat menra Plakad hadon Bosco square la imkra Shillong kum ka Jingïakhih ki Samla ki bapelong ya ka Jingïakhih bat ya ka jingsha thangan Sonam Wangchuk hajantar mantar New Delhi ubala Jingïakhih ya ka cockroach Janata Party balayalam daw Abhijit Dipki Bandawa Hershuki yang Menteri Katanat Pule Putih ke Sarkar Pedang Udharmendra Pradhan hadin ka jingla itu jong ke jingkili ke examen need UG dang shen ha ka jingkram ki la pathai kubor uwe ni ki Samla ulong baladakum ki Samla ki syai sngap kalong kum ka jingai lat ya ka sarkar bandang yai le bakala ya kala we jong ki Samla
Nation jong Udharmendra Pradhan tadi ngai ni support kane boro ni wan support ya Sonam Sarma la syakhan la aku sitam te mereka government tang bawan yakran ro kampawan yakran te gale menti kene te ni kum Samla hang ni mi ni ro la se na syakmat ni nyale te government exam ba fair te ni kwa bangin long ta ni đây này Samla bắt ni long unemployed te sa hai singin wan ni lam tep ni le ta exam ba fair te ni kwa bang ni long ta ni đây này Samla bắt ni long unemployed te sa hai singin wan ni lam tep ni le ta amar ba larangi snap along ba ni hikaya ka go ya ka sarkar bagan le kumne te ni kwa bang long ta tengin ya saya kat bayi lah ibor saya ni rang dai tang ikhna Samla saya ingin baca jumut di perkat duk kata tahan ingin support kan bro ngilong ba support ya Sonam Sar kini nong we jing sa teng le ran mo ngi hakne kari si ta hari jungi long nong elam pada dagi beri mana ba
na la ya don protest ka pas ni hapo Delhi jantar mantar bali hadu manta ki asgap kadai tharai ki ye makiru ki ale bakla namar kata tharai amjuko ahire ban yarab ye students.
We want to stand together with our state to protest against the education system of our country and also for the state of Meghalaya. As we know that Meghalaya was previously known as for the toppest education system, but now as we see it is going down. It is more worse than Bihar. So we really support Sonam and we want the safety of Sir Sonam and also the safety of those people who are there present in Jantar Mantar. So this is my regards. So I wish we will success in whatever we are taking actions.
In future, do you also plan to go to Jantar Mantar and protest?
Yeah, if I get opportunity, surely I will go to support the team.
Then how do you see that we have seen that the protest in Jantar Mantar has been going on for 20 days, but the government has not given
no, government have not supporting. Instead of supporting, they are taking some other actions against the team, against the party, against the people standing there asking for the demand for education system to improve. Instead of supporting, they are taking action against them. So we are really against for the system that we have in our country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.